What's going on, family? All right, peace and blessings to everybody out there. Welcome to this video. If you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and comment your state in the comments below. Let me know where you're coming in from. If you're watching on Facebook, please do the same. Let me know where you guys are coming in from. All right, so Noah got to hear Mr. Laptop Lifestyle. If you didn't know, now you know I'm trying to do is grow. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Facebook platform, wherever you're watching this from. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to deposit and withdraw from Sway Markets. All right, so this is a new brokerage people are starting to find out about, right? And one that you can trust. Fast deposits, fast withdrawals. Um, Spread is not crazy when you trade, right? No really manipulation in the trading. So this is a good platform, somewhere where you can put your money and know that it's good, right? Um, Support is very helpful. They reach back to you very quickly. You also can do the live chat right here, the bottom right? So first thing you're going to do is click that link above. It's going to bring you to this page, and you're going to click sign up. All right, and this is where you're going to register your account. I already got an account, so I'm not going to register again. I just sign in, right? So then when you sign in, authorization code. So all right, you want to make sure you set up that authorization code too, because just want to make sure you're protecting your account. All right, so first thing you want to do is come in here, create account, and you're going to create you're going to create a demo account, right? And then you're going to create a real account. And the reason why you want to create a demo first, because you want to practice. You probably don't have any idea what you're doing, right? This may be your first time, so you want to create a practice account. All right, so come over here, currency, choose whatever currency that you're in, and then click create account. Right, account created successfully, make a deposit into the account. Okay, so demo account will be sent to your email, right? So create your live account, same process. Go to ECN, okay, choose your currency, create account, right? So now you have a demo account and you also have a live account. Right? So your demo you can practice on. Just start it with the amount that you're going to be starting on your live account so you can get used to it. Right? Oh, you want to practice. There's no shame in practicing, okay? And even if you want to share your results of your practice account, that's fine, right? What you can do on your practice account, you also can do on your live account. Really, the only difference is it's just real money, and then your emotions start to get involved, right? Trading with your live account, but yeah, don't have any shame in your game. If you're practicing, uh, it's all part of the process, right? Where people mess up is when they start to let that pressure of wanting to impress people get to them, and they try to go jump on a live account, put their hard-earned money on there, and then just blow their account, right? When you can just take your time, stay on a demo as long as you want, until you feel comfortable, right? Honestly, I would probably stay on a demo for 1 to 3 months. Right? That's just me, but I know y'all are not going to listen to me, and you're going to do whatever you want. But just from my past experience, that's just what I would do. Okay, that's a smart way, at least for a good week or two, until you just get used to trading. All right, you don't want to just try to hurry up and jump on here just because you're desperate and you're trying to hurry up and make money, and then end up blowing your accounts. Right, so all right, so now you got that live account and your demo account, right? So now to make your deposit to your live account, come over here to deposit, and you're going to choose how you want to deposit. So Bitcoin is the one I use. That's the fastest. You also can use pay with card. You can use USDT, Tron, ETH, okay, whatever you want to do. Once you press confirm, a address is going to pop up, right? So you want to make sure you copy and paste the address, because if you try to do it word by word, letter by letter, right, number by number, you're going to mess up something, right? is just, I mean, you can think that you got it perfect. There could be autocorrect, or you could have missed something, right? Your eyes could be played trick on you. So don't try to do it letter by letter, number by number. Just copy and paste, right? I've had I've heard some horror stories of people trying to transfer money, and they end up losing thousands of dollars because they were trying to do it just manually, right? So make sure you copy and paste, triple check, make sure that you put in the right address, right? So that your money doesn't go somewhere else. I've done it myself, right? Pretty much everybody's experienced it, but if you want to just save yourself some time and money and heartache, double check, triple check, make sure that it's copy and paste it, and make sure, right, that it's going to the right place. Because that's the thing about crypto. There's no receipts. There's no way to do a refund or anything. Once it goes somewhere, it's there, right? So be careful. Make sure you copy and paste. Right now, withdrawal, what you want to do is first do an internal transfer, right? You're going to do an internal transfer. You're going to transfer the money from your trading account. It should be listed here, right? And then you're going to transfer it to your wallet. Once it gets to your wallet, then you can transfer from your wallet to your Bitcoin um, address, right? So you'll be able to come to withdrawal, um, and then fill this out, how much you want to withdraw, click send, and then it'll ask you where do you want it to be sent to, right? And then you're going to put your wallet address there. So whatever your Bitcoin wallet address is, make sure you copy and paste it, and make sure it's the right place, right? Because they won't be held responsible if it's sent to somewhere totally different, right? It's wherever you tell them to send it, that's where it's going to go, right? So yeah, that's how you deposit and that's how you withdraw, right? So now you're ready to trade. So what you're gonna do is now come to api.swaycharts.io, and this is where you're going to be trading on, right? This is the platform where you're going to be placing your trades. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how to do that, and then we can jump off of here. All right, so I'm actually in a trade right now, but yeah, this is how it's going to pop up. Okay, so you got your currencies listed here, whatever you want to trade. You also can type it in this search bar right up here. Okay, and check out what you can trade. I believe we can trade crypto on here. We can trade indices. Um, there are some stocks on here as well. Okay, but yeah, choose whichever one, and then it's going to pop up on this chart, right? So to make this chart bigger, you come here to this middle, expanding these four arrows, and it's going to make the chart big, right? Full screen. So to get into a buy or sell, you're going to press one of these, right? So this red button will be sell. This green button will be buy. Okay, this is going to be your lot size. So depending on your account, right now I'm kind of over leveraging. I don't expect people to do that, right? With the $100 account, you should be taking 0.01, okay, trades. I wouldn't take anything higher than that unless you are pretty certain and you're a skilled trader, right? And you can over leverage and feel safe about it, right? And don't trade with any money that you can't afford to lose, right? I repeat, do not trade with any money that you can't afford to lose. So many people come to me and they're so desperate, right? Everybody's so desperate to make money. I get it. We're living in hard times. People feel like money is getting scarce and prices are going up, but it's really not, right? It's just all your perspective. There's still abundance out here. There's no reason to think in a lack mindset, right? There's more than enough for all of us. And if the money does run out, they'll print more. Okay, so you just got to chill out, right? Take a deep breath, understand the market's not going anywhere, and the money's not going anywhere, right? It's here. Trillions of dollars are being passed around. So all you have to do is calm down and get in the right time, right? The right place. Okay. Follow your analysis. Take time to make your analysis and make an educated guess, right, of where you think price is going to go. And it can only go one of two ways, right? It's either going to go up or it's going to go down or it's going to go sideways. Okay, so you got a 50% chance of guessing the right way that it's going to go, right? You just got to calm down, look at past price action, see where your past zones are at, and make an educated guess on where you think price is going to go. That's why this is better than gambling, because we can actually look at a chart, can look at the past price action, and make an educated guess on where it's going to go based off what it's done in the past. Right? You can't do that in gambling. You can't look at the cards, right? So, um, yeah, so that's how you get in a buy or sell, right? So depending on where you get on, let's say you got in for a buy right here, like what I'm in right now, and let's say price goes up, right? So we'll be in profit. Price goes down past that point, then you're negative, right? Like we are right now, -$9, because price is gone below where I got in for my buy, right? So that's basically how trading goes, right? So you're just placing a buy or sell. If it's going in your direction of what you said it was going to go, you'll be in profit. If not, negative, right? The thing is about trading is just not panic. If you get in a trade and it starts to go the opposite way, you can also set your stop loss where it's a point where it won't go past, right? It's what I suggest that you do, especially if you're trading with a live account. Make sure you have your stop loss, because that will prevent you from blowing your entire account. Right? I'm not using a stop loss right now because I'm confident in this trade, and honestly, me losing $100, it's not hurting me, and it's money that I can afford to lose. So, yeah. But anybody that's starting off trading, I don't suggest that you not use a stop loss. Right? You also can set a take profit on a point where you believe it's going to reach, right? So once it reaches that point, it will get closed out of the trade. Um, but yeah, okay. So that's all I wanted to show you guys: how to make your withdrawal, how to make a deposit, how to place your first trade. Okay, and then when you're ready to close out of the trade, you just come here, hit this X. It'll close out, right? It'll ask you if you want to close out, and then once you're closed out, that'll be your profit, right? Whatever you got out here, their P&L. Like if I was to get out of this trade now, it'd be -$10, right? So I lost $10. But I'm not. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna be patient. There's always a reversal, always a retrace. So I'm gonna hold out until we get to at least around 2022. So my first take profit. My second take profit is around here, around 2030. My third take profit, it will be around here, around 2040. All right, but that's just my analysis, right? It could go opposite, but it could be a 50-50 chance. Right? So, um, yeah, my next videos, I'll be teaching you guys my strategy on how to mark up these zones, these green lines that you see. These are my zones, and how to make your analysis, right? Your first analysis just based off what you see and what price has done. So yeah, I'll be making more videos like this more consistently, just giving you guys the basics on forex, and yeah, nothing too advanced. Okay. But basically, all you need is just your basic structure, right? You just need to know basic market structure. Um, you don't really need to know all the certain candlesticks and all that. It does help out, right? Gives you an advantage. But really, all you need to do is just know how to mark up your zones, mark up your trend, and know basic market structure, right? And then you're good to go. If you have those basic skills down, then you can pretty much jump on any chart and make an educated guess and be profitable more than half the time. All right, because that's all you need. You just need to be over 50% winning rate with trading, right? And you're a profitable trader. So, like, let's say you take 10 trades per day. If 6 of those trades are wins, 4 losses, then that's a profitable day. And so you just got to be more than half, more than 50% on your win rate. And the way you do that, is just being consistent with your market analysis, and then following your rules, okay, your confirmations. As long as you stay consistent with that, you should have over half the time, how many trades you take, right? Half of those trades you should win. That's when you know you're starting to become a better trader. You shouldn't lose more than 2 trades, and in more than half of the trades you should be winning. Okay. But it all comes with just putting up reps, right? Just like sports, just like in basketball, if you're trying to learn how to shoot, you can't become a great shooter if every day you're not practicing the skill of shooting, right? The art. If you aren't putting up shots every day, 500, 2,000 jumpers, game like jumpers, right? So when you do get in the game, it doesn't phase you when somebody's guarding you or jumping at you or the crowd or the refs, or just that pressure, right? But it just comes with that repetition of shooting over and over again in different situations. Um, and then when you do get in the game, it'll translate. Just Forex is no different. Once you start to jump on here on the charts, you start marking up the charts more and more and more. You start seeing different scenarios play out, and seeing your trades go the way that you marked it up, whether you trusted it or not. Um, it builds repetition, right? Builds skill, and then when you jump on your live account, it'll be like easy, right? It'll be easy money to you because you put in the work, you put in the practice. Okay. So, all right, y'all. So if you have any questions, you could let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's just the basics, right? How to withdraw, how to place your first trade. My next videos, I'll be getting more in depth in how to draw up on your chart and make your first analysis, right? Right. So yeah, let me check the chat, see if we got any questions. All right, looks like we got no questions. So cool. No, we got to hear Mr. Laptop Lifestyle. If you didn't know, now you know. All I'm trying to do is grow. Like I always say, make the rest of the best of it. Let me jump the top because that bottom is way too crowded. Let's go.